Dear students, greetings. On the occasion of Children's Day and the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, I wish you a very happy Children's Day, and I hope you enjoy this day, and may God bless you.
Dear children, at the outset, let me wish you all Happy Children's Day. On 14th November, every year is celebrated as Children's Day. So this is in memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who had great love and care for children. As you all know, being a child is the most enjoyable part in one's life. At this period, you are taken care by your parents at home and your teachers here in the school. And it is your responsibility to give due respect to your parents as well as your teachers in the school. Enjoy this day, and may this day take you forward throughout the year. And being a child, you are the citizen of tomorrow. With this great responsibility, I wish all of you to grow up in life and do the best. Be responsible children and make your family, your school, your country proud. Best wishes.
Good morning, everyone. At the outset, on behalf of the new Indian School management, our chairman, director, and all the staff here, we extend heartful and joyous wishes for the Children's Day. It is your smile, laughter, and your energy that makes this institution a vibrant place. As you know, you are all the architects of tomorrow, and I'm sure your dreams all will be fulfilled, because your learning is what matters inside the institution. All of you know it is the birthday of our former Prime Minister of India, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, and his love and care for children is always appreciated. My dear students, please make sure that when you are in the institution, you learn the maximum. Ask questions and make sure that you leave no stone unturned. Wishes to your parents as well. God bless each and everyone. Thank you.
Dear children, wish you all very happy Children's Day. Children are the gift of God to the parents and the teachers. And children, you have to be happy throughout your life. That's what we all expect. Your parents also expect. And you are going to be the future leaders wherever you are. Wish you all the best and be happy always.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Hi dear children, never stop asking questions, never stop imagining, never stop believing in yourselves. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep us inspiring us all. Happy Children's Day.
Wishing you all Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, you all are unique, talented and beautiful in your own way.
Be proud and believe in yourself.
You are the joy of today and hope of tomorrow. So we wish each and everyone
a Happy Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden, nurturing all our little stars for a brighter tomorrow. Wishing all the wonderful children a Happy Children's Day. You are our future and our greatest treasure. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day, my dears. Childhood is a stage where you have active learning. During this stage, there are two important aspects. One, innocence, and the other one, happiness. Innocence, my dears, will change as you grow. It will change into maturity. But happiness, I pray and hope it lasts with you forever. God bless you all. Have a great day.
Dear children, wishing each of you happy Children's Day. May your day be filled with smile and happiness.
Dear children, happy Children's Day.
I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Always work hard to achieve your goals and nothing will be impossible for you in life. God bless. Love you all. Students, enjoy your childhood. Chase your dreams. I wish you all happy Children's Day.
Dear children, each one of you is unique in your own way. Always remember you are unique. Dream big, work hard, and never lose your innocence, curiosity, and kindness. The world is waiting for your ideas, your creativity, and your courage. On this special day, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
I wishing all my lovely students happy Children's Day. Today is your day. Be happy and spread happiness. Love you all. Keep dreaming big and keep learning with excitement. Love you all.
Boundless potential. Keep growing, keep questioning, and never stop believing in yourself. Wishing my lovely students a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day. All the best for your bright future. Happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, dear children. May God bless you.
Happy Children's Day. God bless you. Happy Children's Day. God bless you. Happy Children's Day.
Hello children, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
Hi children, wishing you all happy Children's Day.
All the best.
Hi dear children,
Happy Children's Day.
To all, happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Children, you are the joy of our lives.
The motivation for each one of us to do our best. So, here's wishing each one of you a very happy Children's Day.